Mom, I have a feeling that I forgot something.
Don't worry. If it's something important, you will remember.
What did I forget? Maybe if I close my eyes, I'll remember. I remembered!
Ethan! What are you thinking about? You almost hit the fence.
I forgot to wish my mom a happy birthday.
Yes, of course. Boys never remember about important things.
I should go back and congratulate my mom.
Without a gift?
Oh, right. Thanks for reminding me. I will give my mom a very special gift. You'll see.
You're a dreamer. What's special that you can give her? An elephant?
An elephant is a good gift, but they live in Africa. I must think. Oh, I have an idea. It will be so fun. Mom will scream with happiness.
Or maybe with fear. Adults don't like carousels. And also, who will let you take the roller coaster from the park?
Nobody will. I agree. Not a good idea. Oh, I have another idea.
Are you serious? You can never train these trolleykins. Your mom will be so angry with you.
What will I do? I never thought it'd be so hard to pick a gift for Mom. Oh, I know! No? You don't like this one either? What if I get her a butterfly net?
You're choosing gifts for you, not for your mom. She would not like any of these gifts.
Mr. Clockface, I'm looking for a gift for my mom. I can't find anything. Can you be my gift? Mom always needs to know what time it is.
Oh, Ethan, I'm afraid I'm not a very good gift anymore.
Ethan, Mrs. Duff always has gifts.
Mrs. Dove, what gift should I get for my mom? There's nothing left, Ethan. Come back tomorrow. I don't need it tomorrow. My mom's birthday is today. Well, let me see. I only have a balloon, but it's also a good gift to give, Ethan. Yeah, it's good. But everyone has balloons. I wanted to give her something special. But it's okay. I'll take the balloon. Mother dear, happy birth... It flew away.
Ethan, don't worry. The gift doesn't matter. It's more important that you remembered about my birthday. You are the best son in the world.
I've been alone on this uninhabited island for 3 days. Will I survive alone?
Hello there, Ethan. Are you still playing Robinson Crusoe? I'm going downtown. Do you need something?
Yes, I'm still playing Robinson Crusoe. And Robinsons do not get anything from downtown, thank you. It's hard to survive on an uninhabited island, nearly impossible. Ow! Hey, what's going on here? This is my uninhabited island. You go and inhabit some other place.
Playing Robinson is a stupid game when you have many friends around.
But it makes me strong enough to survive in extreme conditions. You see, Vera?
Oh yeah? Then I want to be Robinson as well. I'll be Mrs. Robinson.
Girls cannot become Robinsons.
Watch me because I will. You see?
Oh. I will play the survival game using scientific methods.
So then, shall we go and get ourselves an island?
No, I can't live on an uninhibited island. I have to eat a lot.
So why don't we go make a movie about them? Get the camera, Arnold. I think I can hear some noise. This place could be dangerous. Look over there! It's them! Don't scare them away. These are savages. I'm going to try to capture them.
Oh, these savages are mine.
Actually, I was the first to spot the savages. I discovered and described them.
Hey guys, I'm confused. Did we capture the savages or did they capture us? I gotta say, I'm getting pretty tired of playing Robinson Crusoe.
And I have some experiments to finish at home, really, guys.
Ethan, we agree that you're the best Robinson player ever. You're the champion of this game.
What do you say? Can we play another game? Hide and seek, maybe?
Ah, wait a minute, guys. Trollykins, when did you get to join the game? I would like to know.
Indeed then. How did you guys even get here?
I think I know who's taken the game too far.
We wanted to shoot a thriller, so we simply put them up to the task to come here. Hey, stop! We'll get you! Hey, you better stop!
Just wait,
Stop
you're
it!
running
You're running away.
I'm gonna get you, you'll see!
What?
The Robinson Crusoe game failed, guys. Let's just pretend we're violent savages.
Ricky is so handsome.
Not only is he handsome, he is the best train in the world. I adore him.
And I adore him 3 times more than you.
Hey, girls. What are you arguing about? Let's go play together.
What do you want to play?
Well, we can play tag.
You creep like turtles.
But we would love to play with Ricky. He's a champion.
But I'm also fast. I can even overtake Sam Sparky.
No way! Sam Sparky is the fastest train in our city. He is almost like Ricky.
Well, we'll see who's the fastest.
Ready? Set? Sam Sparky, don't cheat.
I'm not cheating. My wheel slipped a little bit.
Ready, set, go!
Who will you cheer on?
Sam Sparky, of course. He almost looks like Ricky.
Then I will cheer on Sam Sparky as well.
Sammy! 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 Sammy!
Hey, you with the slowest train. Wake up, turtle. You're losing.
Sammy! Sammy! Hooray! Hooray!
Be careful! Sam Sparky, are you okay? Help! I want to get out of here! Help! I want to get out of here!
We must help him, or he will sink.
But how?
He doesn't know how to swim.
Guys, I have an idea.
Come on, guys. Together, we can do it.
Ethan, I'm sorry for teasing you. You lost the race, but you're the smartest train ever. Thank you. Oh, not a big deal. Forget about it.
Ethan, you are so smart.
So let's play tag.
But I'm not fast enough.
But you're really smart. And a real friend. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. Catch us if you can. Ha ha ha.
Did I miss something?
Right, Vera. I'm gonna be very busy at work. I'll be away for 3 days. Behave yourself. Don't make a mess here. Remember, you're a responsible person in this house.
All right. If I'm responsible in this house, I need to check absolutely everything here. Now I have lots of things to do. Oh, wow! What is that I see here? I can make the town better with this paint I just found here. Ours will be the most beautiful and the most spoken about pink town in the whole wide world.
What do you have
Not
there?
telling you.
Come on, what's in that tin, Vera? Tell me.
I need to go, Sam Sparky. I'm really sorry. Okay. Let's paint out this grayness.
Uh-huh.
And let's paint over the rust as well.
Okay, so it's just paint. Is that right then? You didn't want to share, Vera, but now we're gonna make this town beautiful and we'll be all laughing at you. Just you wait and see.
Oh my goodness, I'm late. Where's the green light?
Well, everything's pink here. What on earth is going on?
Do you know how I can get to Leaftown?
I don't know. I have no idea.
What's the name of this town?
Oh, dear!
Where are we?
We're lost!
Oh my god, I can't believe it. What a mess. What a mess. Did I really do that?
You couldn't have.
Oh, really? What if I'm a sleepwalker?
No, you're not. It was something else.
All right. Yes, it was me, Ethan. It was my paint.
Don't worry, I'll be here. I'll be watching you. And if you start sleepwalking, I'll wake you up so you can relax for now.
Okay.
Aha, I see now. Oh. It was Sam Sparky.
So he was the one behind this.
Don't worry, Vera. We will teach him a lesson. Huh?
What do you
Who
think
is
happened?
responsible for this? I don't even recognize this town.
We must find whoever did this.
Sam Spark, you look like a girl.
How dare you? Huh? How could you do this to me? We have a machine which can remove all the paint. George invented it. Guys, please help me. I just wanted to have a joke.
Well, first we need to clean the town. Okay, the town is fine now. My mom doesn't like it when there's a mess everywhere.
Okay, come on now, let's clean me up, guys.
So, Vera, how are you, dear? Did you behave yourself?
Of course, Mom. You know, responsible people can deal with all kinds of troubles.
Hey, fish! Hello?
Hello there, fish.
Hey, fish! Can you hear us? Hey! Be quiet, kids. Please don't make any noise in the oceanarium. You're scaring the fish away.
One more time now. What a great catch! Awesome!
Ethan, you ran around like...
Yeah, Ethan, like a real submarine.
Hey, you! Be quiet! You're scaring my fish away.
Why are fish scared of everything?
You know they're mysterious creatures.
This is really very interesting. Look, it's awesome. Something's missing here. I've got it. This is our new submarine. We're now going to know everything about our fish, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna wait for you on the shore.
Don't be afraid. George is a genius. He has everything worked out.
Take the radio and keep in touch.
Hey, fish! Hello? Hello?
Hello, fish.
Are you all right in there?
We're fine, Vera. Oh, what's that? The oceanarium doesn't have all this metal junk. Look at all this. What a mess.
Let's make a present for Grandpa Billy.
Oh, yeah. He'll be very happy.
One more time. Vera, would you help me? What a great catch today. Awesome.
You won't believe how much junk Grandpa Billy pulled out now.
Whom are you talking to?
Me?
You.
Nobody, just myself.
Don't go out of your head for joy now. Right, I'm going home.
Are you rising to the surface?
We're drowning!
We're drowning!
Oh my goodness, help! Help, SOS! Ethan and George are drowning!
One more time.
Grandpa Billy, one more time.
Thank you. You saved our lives.
Did you find out why fish are scared of everything?
We didn't have much time. Let's go to the oceanarium.
Is it a really interesting place?
Yes, visiting a museum is an interesting educational activity.
Gee, I love everything interesting and what did you call it? Educational?
Hey guys, where are you going?
George and I are going to the museum. Come with us. It's absolutely great there.
Oh, I can't come. I'm moving my grandma's belongings. Could you help me?
Well, we will. Later, for sure. Now we're late for the museum.
Oh, never mind. You go. I will manage myself.
Vera, I promise you on my word. We will help you. What a weird-looking puff.
This is an ancient sphinx puff.
Where is his nose, then?
This is the great riddle of history. There are many versions, but none are approved.
Hey, look! Nesting blocks!
These are not nesting blocks. These are huge pyramids. Do you know who built them?
Who built them?
The Egyptians. These are the Egyptian pyramids.
Wow.
It was very hard work indeed, Ethan, but the results would make you so proud.
Yeah, I wish I could go there. What a job! It's so really hard, isn't it?
It's been an easy part until now. Now we need to lift the rocks up to the top.
Huh? Up there to the very top? George, we won't make it.
There are many jacks and gears. We will arrange something. Just trust me. Now get ready. Let's jump.
Oops.
We stepped short, but the riddle of the Sphinx is solved, I guess. Now pull.
Yes, we did it. We're great.
Yes, we are. Oh, look. There's Vera down there.
This stupid rock.
Don't worry. We will help you. Listen, Vera's really waiting for us there.
Huh? But we just came here.
We have to help out our friends first. The museum can wait a while. We can come here later with Vera.
You're right. Let's go, Ethan.
No, let's run! Here we are. Sorry for making you wait.
I'm afraid we wouldn't make it, even the three of us. Just look at this huge pyramid over here.
Pyramid, you're saying?
Oh, wow, that's great.
These museums are very helpful.
Oh, wow. We're almost there.
Huh. Nobody can get higher than us.
Watch out.
Anthony! Anthony, wait! How do you climb so easily, even with weight?
And we're out of breath already.
My grandpa taught me this. Oh, I'm tired. Grandpa, why don't you ever get tired?
It's because I've been training since I was a child.
A lot? How much is that?
Every time I climbed the hill, I took a rock with me. And when there were many rocks, I became strong. Look.
Oh, wow. Can we train with you?
Won't you change your mind? It will be very hard.
Yeah.
No!
Well, every day they're climbing the hills with rocks. I must find out why.
Here we go. One more rock.
Aha! I caught you. Why are you climbing the hill every day, huh?
We are training.
We want to be strong like Anthony.
Will you join us?
I don't want to. I'm busy. It will take them forever to carry one rock at a time. I can do better. I'm genius. One more step. I'm here. What was that?
That's Sam Sparky.
We must help him. Pour out the rocks.
I can't do it!
Turn the arrow. Why did you pick up that many rocks?
I wanted to get strong fast.
But when you're hungry, you don't eat for a year ahead, right?
Yeah, because you can burst.
But I would never burst.
Well, of course. You do train every day after all.
Oh, wow, prehistoric times. It's so interesting. What is this book about? Prehistoric primitive tribes were spread around vast and wild regions.
There. It's been a while since we've caught our last mammoth.
Yeah, I'd like some mammoth to eat with syrup.
In these prehistoric times, it was difficult to find a mammoth.
We've been out of stock with mammoths since last week. Sorry, I can't help you guys.
So it looks like we'll have to go hunt.
It was hard to hunt down a mammoth. Because they usually didn't even notice that they were being hunted.
We have to find some other way. I'm tired.
There were other severities around. The hostile tribes. The tribes had to defend themselves. unpredictable.
Hey.
Look, the mammoth is near.
It means it's gonna rain.
Oh! Just let them invent the weather forecast already.
There was nothing much to do during the day, so mammoth hunting was the only way to fight boredom. But sometimes it was the other way round. As you see, being a prehistoric and primitive person was very, very complicated.
Aha!
Therefore, the prehistoric people invented something important: schools. At schools, they learned how to stop being primitive and become educated. Finally, they developed into really civilized trains. It's really great to be civilized. Hey! What? Oh.